Hey, welcome back to Mr. Wallen's Neighborhood. We're here again for another Tiki Tuesday. Today, we're gonna create the Lei Lani Volcano. This cocktail was created for Walt Disney World in the 1970s in their Polynesian village experience. So this cocktail recipe calls for a blend of island rums. I'm gonna use this Probitas. Probitas Rum is a blend of two rums. One's a coffee column still from Barbados, and the other one is a copper pot still from Jamaica. Then I'm gonna use an aged agricole style rum. Agricole rum comes from Martinique specifically, and it has to be from first pressed sugarcane juice. 1 ounce. So we've created our own little rum blend. I don't know if you guys do that at home or not, but hey, feel free to do whatever you like at home. Feel free to do whatever you like, period. But I'm making my own little rum blend. So I'm using an agricole rum and a molasses-based rum. Now I'm gonna use this Clement coconut liqueur. This coconut liqueur is dope because it is also an agricole rum base, which means in this product, it has to actually go through a lot of regulations. Martinique is a French island, so it follows all the rules that they have to in France to get their stuff out, and they really make high quality product. Next thing we're gonna use is fresh squeezed pineapple juice, 3/4 of an ounce. Then we're gonna use lime juice, 3/4 of an ounce also. And then we're gonna use this Guava Real Purée, 1/2 ounce. Then we're gonna add our ice and shake. I mean, you can have fun if you want. If you want to have fun, you can have fun. It's not so serious. I know sometimes it seems like I'm very serious. All right, so what I'm gonna do with this is, I'm gonna strain into this cocktail glass, and then I'm gonna add my ice. I'm gonna do it this way because I wanna get all the liquid in the glass. If I fill this cup up with ice and then add the liquid on top, I may have a bit more. Should be just about right. Also, I'm gonna be adding crushed ice, and crushed ice is gonna dilute quicker than cubed ice. If I wanna make sure that my ice isn't melting in the cocktail, then I'm gonna add it second. Now we're gonna make a garnish. I'm gonna cut this orange right in half. Now what I'm gonna do is put this here, cherry up. Now I'm gonna add this straw in the back, and here we go. Cheers.